Good evening, guys. Welcome and welcoming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Input Output Hong Kong, the blockchain company behind the Cardano network, has announced that the fossil hard fork is ever closer after making significant progress over the last week. After multiple delays, has finally announced in this latest rollout status that the fossil upgrade is ever closer than before. The IOHK provides updates on their critical mass indicators, which will determine when the mainnet update will go ahead. According to the IOHK, before the mainnet upgrade can go live, providing an update on the progress of the rollout. The IOHK sets that stake pool operations running the latest node 1 now account for 42% of mainnet block production, more than half of the minimum requirement. According to the IOHK, Binance, a key liquidity provider for ADA, has upgraded its Cardano nodes to the latest version. So far, 4 of the top 10 decentralized applications on the network by TVL have tested the latest node version. When the minimum requirements are met, the will be ready to perform the highly anticipated fossil upgrade in the current mainnet. MicroTrader has been in the crypto world for years and as such has gathered both a skill for writing as well as a native prowess when it comes to understanding everything that occurs within that word. Through skilled writing and determination, he covers articles about cryptocurrency, tokens, blockchain, crypto asset regulation, crypto wallets, exchange liquidity, DApps, forex mining, security, and blockchain technologies. He is a professional with a track record of proven expertise within the crypto space, providing an update on the progress of the rollout. Said that stake pool operators running the latest node now account for 2% reduction, more than half on the minimum requirement. Input Output Hong Kong, or IOHK, the blockchain company behind the Cardano network, has announced that the fossil hard fork is ever closer after making significant progress over the last week. After multiple delays, the fossil upgrade is ever closer than before. Then IOHK profit updates on their critical mass indicators, which will determine when the mainnet update will go ahead. According to the IOHK, before the mainnet upgrade can go live, a minimum of 75% of mainnet blocks must be processed by nodes running 25 exchange representing 80% of ADA liquidity should be upgraded. The top 10K mandate should also have upgrade, providing an update and the progress of the rollout. The IOHK states, we use checklist on our website to give you the most relevant experience by remembering your preferences and repeat visits by clicking accept all your consent to the use of all the checklist. However, you may visit checklist settings to provide a content consent. The update confirms the reports of Cardano developer. Cardano ecosystem developer says testnet is now better than ever. Even before the upgrade, Cardano is a top chain rate. Cardano ADA is more energy efficient than PayPal and Netflix. Okay guys, that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.